Today we are going to discuss about the topic of logistics from the subject of event management. What do you mean by logistics? Logistics is the management of the flow of goods from the point of origin to point of consumption to meet the needs of the customers. So, in general business sense, that is the logistics. And from the events logistics point of view, the organizing of the movement of the goods and equipment and accommodation and other items required to meet the customers' needs at the event is called here as a logistics management. Okay, in small scale events, the event hosts and organizers can handle the event logistics management. If it is a national and international event, then a specialized professionals required to manage this all logistics management. So, the person who is providing those professional skills may call upon here as the logisticians or logistics manager. He has some team. The team will support him to take care of to providing all these logistics services. Like one person will take care about the packaging, one person will take care about the smooth flow of event, and another person will take care about the technical equipment and etc. So the logistics manager take care of all these points. Let us discuss. The first one is that is lighting and designing and operations. So at the time at the space that we have selected to conduct that particular event, there we have to providing a proper lighting and designing of that lighting and operating of that lighting and according to the times and situations of the event is a crucial part of the logistics management. Second one is production management. Production management, some of the products that is already required, what we have to produce, what we have purchased from the production houses. Those are all products that we have to manage according to the suitability and requirements of the people who are visiting towards and participate in this event management. And actually stage management, we have to arrange that particular stage according to the requirements of the nature of the event. If it is requires the fashion show, that we have to arrange a particular stage according to that fashion show. If it is only business show, that we have to arrange a particular stage. If it is the elevation of any new product and launching of product, we have to arrange a particular background screen, etc. And next one is venue maintenance. We have to prepare the proper venue with the suitability of the visible or the all the process which is going on that particular venue towards that particular participants and customers of the event. If it is the basic logistics management importance, we can say that if it is the outdoor events, there is a very crucial role that has to be played by the logistics manager, that is with an efficient and effective cost way, that he has to conduct all these logistics management with his using of internal and external network. And next one is stage rigging, according to that particular stage plan and in which way they have to enter into the stage and which way have to that is step down into the from the stage. We have to plan according to the requirement of the stage. And technical direction are the what we call camera and lighting and sound and equipments. All this they have to take care about by the logistics manager. And next one, sound design and operations. We need different sounds. Nowadays we are going to conduct events with the DJ music, also different backgrounds and AVs of the special guests and chief guests of that particular event has to be taken care of take care by the logistics manager. And next one, risk assessment and risk management also. Both the concepts have to be first of all, the logistics manager has to be assess the risk in what are the ways, in what ways that we can face any risks associated with conducting of outdoor events. Maybe the hazardous situations on the climate or the particular venue or that particular products that we have to procure at the right time to present towards the customers, each and everything. So the risk assessment and risk management is also both simultaneously has to be taken care of by the this logistic management. So this is the way the importance of the logistics when we are going to conduct any outdoor events from the event management. Thank you.